Alright everybody, I've got an amazing magic trick to show you with two ropes, two big thick ropes. Watch this. I'm going to tie the ropes into a knot like this. See, I wanted to tie these two ropes into a knot so I have a rope long enough to walk my dog. But here's the thing. I'm afraid that the knot might get caught on my dog's collar. So I'm going to blow in the knot. Make it a little bit shorter. Blow in the knot. Make this rope a little bit longer. Blow in the knot again and pull that knot right off. So now instead of two pieces of rope the same length, now I have a really long rope and a really short rope, and that is amazing. Okay, this is such a fun magic trick. This is similar to the string trick, the 2-to-1 string trick. So I would not do both of these tricks in the same show. But it's fun to have other options. So what you need for this are a couple of pieces of rope. This rope is about, it's close to 3 feet long. I've not measured this, but this rope is close to 3 feet long. It can be a little bit shorter, it can be about 2 feet long. And then you've got another piece of rope, and this is about 6 or 7 inches long. And what I did with these pieces of rope is I want to make sure that they didn't come unraveled at the end, because if you handle rope for a while, they start to come unraveled. So at the end, I simply wrapped some clear tape around the ends that simply keeps the rope from falling apart after a while. So what you do before you show anybody the trick is you take the long rope, you loop it over like this, so the ends down here are about even. Take the shorter rope, go through here just like this. So now the shorter rope is holding the long rope. They're looped together. And then you hold the ropes like this, and now it looks like you've got two ropes that are the same length. And if you're doing your show, your virtual show, and you don't want to do this for the first trick, you can just lay it on the table like this, below camera angle, below the camera view, and you're ready to do the trick. You just pick it up with your hand like this and bring it into camera view. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to put this below my camera view so you can't see it. Then using my right hand, I'm going to pick both ropes up where they meet like this, and I'm ready to do the trick. Super simple. Now, but whenever I do this trick, I always hold the ropes with my left hand, and I do the tying of the knot with my right hand. That's just how I do it. You can do it with either hand. So you hold both of the ropes up, you make sure everybody can see the two ropes are the same length. You talk about your story, like in my case I talked about wanting to walk my dog, but neither one of these ropes is long enough. That's what I talked about in the book. And then you tie the rope into a knot. Now when you tie the rope into a knot, you've got to be very careful. Look how I did that. If you go like this and tie the rope, everybody's going to see what's happening. They're going to see that it's two separate ropes. So when you're tying the rope, whatever hand holds the rope, you want to keep that hand in place, hiding this part right here. So as I'm using my right hand to tie the knot, I'm making sure my left hand that's hiding the rope does not leave until that knot is tied. See how I did that? So I'll do that one more time. This is the only hard part of the entire trick. So I'm using my left hand to hide the rope, and again, you can use whatever hand, you can use whatever hand you want to do this. I just like doing the tying motion with my right hand. So my left hand holds the rope, hiding the part where the two ropes come together, and then my right hand comes over and I just tie a simple knot, just like you're tying your shoelaces. But as I'm tying it, I'm adjusting my fingers so that the whole time I'm doing the tying, this part is not visible until the very end. I'll get up really close to the camera so you can see what I'm doing. This hand hides the rope, and then with the right hand, I'm tying the knot, and I'm keeping my left hand there until the very end. You can see how my left hand is still hiding everything. Until I get to the end, when I'm pulling that knot tight, then I can show the middle where the two ropes meet, just like that. And from here is all acting. You don't want to just slide it off the rope and take it off. That'd be really boring. So you want to blow on it, slide it down a little bit. People will go, you can slide it down the other way a little bit. If you want to get your audience involved, you can have them wiggle their fingers at the camera. They can clap their hands. They can say a magic word. And then finally, you can pull the whole rope off, or the whole knot off, showing that it is actually now one long piece of rope and a knot. Another thing you can do is once you've got it tied, I'll do that one more time. So here we are. Once you've got it tied and you're sliding the knot off, you can put both ends of the knot together like this, and then just slide the whole thing off. Make your hand go out of camera view, and out of camera view, you drop that knot off, and then you come back and you show the whole rope like this. So now the knot kind of disappears. You can do it either way that you want. I'll show you what I did to make that knot disappear. It's really simple. I just went off of camera view and I let the knot go. So you've got your rope like this, and then you want to put the whole knot inside your hand so nobody can see the ends. And then you just pull the knot all the way down like this. And I'm going to show you what I did. You pull it off of the rope. So now the knot is separate from the rest of the rope, the big rope. And then outside of camera view, I just let go of it like that. But I did it like this, off of camera view like this. I showed the rope, went back, let go of it, came back like this. And now it looks totally amazing, and nobody even had a chance to see that knot. And some people, what they like to do is they like to slide the knot off like I did in the beginning and untie it. And now the magic trick is more like, instead of two ropes becoming one, now the magic trick turns into two ropes changing lengths. They go from 2 lengths of rope about this long a piece to a short rope and a really long rope. So you can do it either way. It's so much fun. Have fun with this magic trick.